When working with a 3D welding table, fume extraction is often a challenge. Many operators use mobile extraction units, wall-mounted extraction arms, solutions that take up a lot of space, restrict movement, and are not always capturing all the fumes. To solve this problem, Air Service has developed the ABS-C, an innovative solution specifically designed for fume extraction with 3D welding tables. An intelligent system that combines powerful extraction and complete freedom of movement. The principle is simple and highly effective. The 3D welding table is positioned directly on top of the ABS-C extraction bench, without the need for the table legs. No more bulky hoods or extraction arms. The fumes are captured directly from below, with the extraction area reaching up to approximately half a meter above the workspace. The result, a much cleaner and safer working environment. The ABS-C ensures a filtration efficiency of over 99%, guaranteeing clean air even during intensive operations. The system is available with airflow capacities of up to 11,800 cubic meters an hour, allowing it to adapt to different production requirements. The bench is designed to support loads up to 600 kg and is ideal for both manual welding and COBOT applications. With the ABS-C, the welder can work with maximum freedom of movement without obstacles around the table. The extraction speed is adjustable thanks to the high-efficiency EC motor with inverter control. This means higher performance, lower consumption, and higher efficiency for the operator. ABS-C, the intelligent solution for better welding, safer working conditions, and cleaner air.